All right. I told you it was snowing, so it's now under 20. I am out here in the snow reviewing, the Whistle Pig 18 batch 4. Let's give this a go. Now, I've really never had any Whistle Pig before. It's unique to me. It's a rye. So the color is tough to see because it is dark out here, but it looks to be a dark color, a nice dark gold on the nose. I'm getting a lot of fruitiness. I'm getting a lot of floral notes. I'm getting a bit of honey, definitely some fruit sweetness. Smells fantastic. Cheers. Oh, this is nice. This is a bourbon drinker's rye, 100%, 18 years. Some nice vanilla caramel sweetness, but very mild. You're getting that rye spice, very light rye spice, but you're getting more of a candy sweetness, fruit sweetness with a very mild hug. Whistle Pig 18 did not disappoint right here. Cheers, everybody. Find somebody you love. Get yourself some Whistle Pig because it is a nice flavor profile from beginning to end. I don't know how many more of this I could do in the snow, guys. Just letting you know. Find somebody you love. Give them a hug. Get some Whistle Pig. It's damn good.